Josh here at FASS Fuel Systems. We would like to introduce you to a new product we've added to our accessory line, the STK-1005 High Flow Fuel Tank Module Upgrade Kit. This kit is equipped with all the fittings you're going to need, whether you're running a 5/8 of an inch suction line to your FASS system or a 1/2 inch suction line. With this assembly, you will need to set it up where the FASS draws and returns fuel to the fuel reservoir down here. So if your factory fuel suction line is smaller than 3/8 of an inch, you're going to need to go ahead and purchase 2 of these STK-1005 kits so you can set the FASS up where it'll draw through one of the STK-1005s and also return fuel back to the module with the STK-1005. Be sure to log on to our website, fastride.com, and shop now or locate a dealer near you.